Welcome to Jill Cameron Creations. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a single video. We're going to be doing some faux die cut inlay today. Amazing results. We are going to do some faux die cut inlay. Die cut inlay is absolutely gorgeous, but it takes a lot of time. I mean, it's really, really time consuming, especially if you have a background die that's as detailed as this one from Catherine Pooler is. So what we're going to do is actually ink blend a background, and then we're going to emboss it with the die. And then we're going to cut a white one out of this, or black one, or whatever color you want to. And then we're going to add some other elements to it to make a card with it. We're also going to be using some distressed oxide inks. I have picked raspberry, wilted violet, and blueprint sketch, and that's what we're going to be ink blending with. Now, the cardstock that I usually use is 80-pound Nina Solar white cardstock. However, when I do that with my Nina cardstock, I get a lot of cracking in it because it is a pretty heavier weight cardstock. And I also don't get as much of a bump up in my image as I would like to. Even though it really does look like it, and some of the places are even cut looking, I still don't have the raised areas that I want to. So the cardstock that I'm using is actually just a little bit lighter weight than that. And that's going to give me a better result of the pop through that I'm looking for. So it looks like it's an inlay, but it's really not. So let's get started and get this done.